Morning, folks. So this parrot we have.
Go.
What do you mean, look out?
Go.
Look out. She's pretty funny. If nobody's around and she thinks she's here by herself, she gets to really talking up a storm. And yesterday I heard her. She's got a sweater on made out of a kid's sock because she's a feather picker. She's kind of bald underneath that. But anyway, I heard her barking like a dog and then yelling, "Shut up." I set the camera up to try to catch that, and you can kind of hear it. Hopefully you can make it out well enough, but pretty funny bird. Some of the stuff she does. When we first got her, we had another smaller bird. It was a conure of some sort, parrot. Come on, step up there. And we had the cages side by side, and we weren't sure that we wanted to put them in together, thinking that they might fight, and this one's a much bigger bird. So we left both cage doors open side by side. And the little bird had a box, like a birdhouse with a round hole in it that it liked to stay in. And this bigger one went into the smaller bird's cage and was eating its food, even though they get the same exact food. And it was so funny because the little bird heard something, stuck its head out the box, and this one looks up and goes, "What? Want some?" It's stealing its food, and it got caught. Talk about a funny animal.
Go. Go. What? 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 Go. Good. What? No. Stop. 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 Go. Go.